In Saudi Arabia, the demand for 3D scanning services has been steadily increasing. One prominent company that provides these services is SCON Design India Private Limited. With their expertise in the field, they have become a trusted name in the industry. 3D scanning is a technology that allows for the creation of precise digital models of physical objects. This technology has numerous applications across various industries, including architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and healthcare. SCON Design India Private Ltd offers state-of-the-art 3D scanning services in Saudi Arabia. Their team of experts utilizes advanced scanning equipment and software to capture detailed and accurate 3D models. They have experience working with a wide range of objects, from small components to large structures. Whether it is for reverse engineering, quality control, or virtual reality applications, SCON Design India Private Ltd can cater to the specific needs of their clients. One of the key advantages of utilizing SCON Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services is the speed and efficiency it offers. Traditional methods of capturing object measurements can be time-consuming and prone to human error. With 3D scanning, the process is streamlined, resulting in faster turnaround times. Additionally, the digital models generated through this technology can be easily modified and replicated, saving both time and resources. Accuracy is another crucial aspect of 3D scanning services. SCON Design India Private Ltd ensures that their scans are highly accurate, with precision down to the smallest details. This level of accuracy is vital in industries such as manufacturing, where even minor discrepancies can lead to significant issues down the line. By providing accurate 3D models, SCON Design India Private Ltd helps their clients make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. Furthermore, SCON Design India Private Ltd's 3D scanning services offer a non-invasive way to capture objects. 3D scanning services are becoming increasingly popular in Saudi Arabia, as businesses and industries recognize the benefits of this cutting-edge technology. One prominent provider of such services is SCON Design India Private Ltd, a leading company known for its expertise in 3D scanning. With a strong presence in the Indian market, SCON Design India Private Ltd has expanded its operations to Saudi Arabia, offering its top-notch 3D scanning services to clients across various sectors. The demand for 3D scanning services in Saudi Arabia has grown significantly due to the numerous advantages it offers. This technology allows for the precise capturing of physical objects and converting them into digital models, enabling accurate measurements and detailed analysis. Industries such as architecture, engineering, manufacturing, and healthcare greatly benefit from 3D scanning services as it aids